Hey guys, welcome to the Code with Expertise. In today's video, we will learn about how to make a Codechef account. So type in the search bar codechef.com, and we have come into the Codechef interface. So we don't have an account, we will create one. So go to new user. Here type a username. Okay. Type your name. Type your full name. Okay. Here type your email address and here password. Give a password. Okay. And here select according to yourself, that if you are a student, give your university name or school name, graduation year, and in the programming language. If you are professional, then tell how many years you have worked, where do you work. I am selecting here others. Here select your the programming language. I will select here C. Register. It will send you a verification code. So I will go to my Gmail account now. Now I will copy here my code and verify. Practice solved. We have successfully made the Codechef account. Here, if you are a beginner, here are the codes, problems you can solve. It will gradually, you will gradually increase your levels. Here are the challenges you will get. Contest, all contest. Where will you get? You will get discuss panel. There it is, discuss panel. This will be your account, where you will get the progress report. I've just made this account, so my rating is 0. And here you will get your participation, your progress report. Thank you guys. Subscribe to our channel, like, share and comment.